Hi, welcome to AwkwardHamster. I got this track racing set for Marcus. I'll place the link in the video description on where I got it. I have all the specs and everything. But this one, well, it's a lot fancier than the last one. It's got different tiers for it too. Here's all the pieces that came with it. 169 pieces. 100% non-toxic. And Marcus is eagerly waiting by my side. He wants to open this up. Alright, Marcus, you can open it up.
Oh my god.
So these tracks should glow in the dark too.
I don't know which kind of track.
You like it?
No, you know what? The other tracks that you buy glow too, but this has more pieces.
A lot more pieces.
Whoa, this is a lot.
Want to just dump it out? Oh, so this one came with two cars. An orange car and this blue car.
There are numbers look too.
Ah, okay. Hi. Alright.
Then what are we gonna build?
It's tracks. This is for track racing. Marcus finished piecing the track together. He used this as a model. It did not come with any sort of manuals or instructions or anything. And before we went to manual instruction book.
Oh.
And when he went to bed last night, he saw that this thing lit up at night. Can you turn off the light? It has a nice glow. Okay, Marcus, turn the vehicle on. For the most part, it runs pretty smooth. Some of the corners it might get caught up on, and if you use two vehicles, well,
Daddy, came in.
it's okay. Okay, turn on the light. So right now there's one vehicle. So I'm gonna put a second vehicle on. I'm gonna give some gap between the first and second vehicle. These are both vehicles are on like one of these ramps at the same time. So the droop's too low. Marcus, tell me, do you think this will make a good birthday present? How about a Christmas present? Okay, do I get a hug? Yeah, so I like this. I'll place the link in the video description below. Well, thanks for watching this review.
I'll just put on my slippers.
If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching AwkwardHamster. Bye.